In the deserts of Egypt and the plains of Africa, a strange creature flies, carrying within its wings the secrets of survival and intelligence. The Egyptian vulture, the smallest and most cunning vulture in the world. This bird is distinguished by its white feathers, black wings, and yellow featherless face, giving it a unique appearance. But it's more than just looks. The Egyptian vulture is known for its ability to use tools, a rare trait in the avian world. This eagle uses stones to crack giant ostrich eggs. It lifts stones in its beak and drops them onto the egg repeatedly until it breaks. In a remarkable display of intelligence and instinct. Despite its strength and intelligence, the Egyptian vulture is now facing extinction due to poisoning, hunting, and habitat loss. An ancient symbol of pharaonic civilization, today it has become a symbol of a pressing environmental issue.